Imagine this. It's a stormy evening. The sky is a deep, ominous gray, and the clouds are thick and heavy, pregnant with rain. Lightning streaks across the sky, illuminating the darkened landscape for just a moment before plunging it back into shadow. The wind howls outside, a relentless force that bends trees and sends leaves swirling through the air. Rain batters the windows with a ferocity that makes it seem like the glass might shatter at any moment. The storm is in full swing, and it shows no signs of letting up. Suddenly, everything goes dark. The screen flickers off, leaving the room in silence. Your phone, which was charging on the counter, stops drawing power. The hum of the refrigerator, a constant background noise you never really noticed until it was gone, falls silent. You're plunged into darkness, and the familiar sounds of your home are replaced by the eerie quiet of a power outage. A power outage has hit. The house is eerily quiet, save for the occasional rumble of thunder and the persistent patter of rain. You fumble for a flashlight, its beam cutting through the darkness, revealing the concerned faces of your family. Power outages are more than just inconveniences. They can disrupt our daily routines, making it difficult to cook, communicate, or even stay warm. For some, especially those with medical needs, a power outage can quickly escalate into a serious situation. But don't worry, with the right preparation, you can weather any storm. Having an emergency kit ready, complete with flashlights, batteries, and non-perishable food, can make all the difference. It's also important to have a plan in place, so everyone in your household knows what to do when the lights go out. With the right preparation, you can weather any storm. Make sure to have essential items like flashlights, extra batteries, and a first aid kit. Keep your emergency supplies in an easily accessible location and check them regularly to ensure everything is in working order. You can keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Let's explore how. Stay calm and stay together. Use this time to bond with your family, play games, or tell stories. Remember, the storm will pass and the lights will come back on. But the memories you create during these moments can last a lifetime. The key to surviving any challenge is preparation. Whether it's a natural disaster, a sudden power outage, or any other unexpected event, being prepared can make all the difference. A power outage is no different. You need a plan. This plan should be comprehensive and cover all aspects of what you and your family will need to do to stay safe and comfortable. A good plan starts with a family meeting. Gather everyone together and discuss the potential scenarios that could occur during a power outage. Discuss what to do in a blackout. First, designate responsibilities. Assign specific tasks to each family member to ensure that everything is covered. Who checks on elderly neighbors? It's important to think about those who may need extra help during a power outage, such as elderly neighbors or family members with special needs. Who handles the flashlights and candles? Make sure that these essential items are easily accessible and that everyone knows where to find them. Make sure everyone knows their role. Next, identify safe spaces. These are areas in your home where you can gather and stay safe during the outage. Choose a room where your family will gather. This room should be central and easy to access with enough space for everyone to be comfortable. It should be central and easy to access. Consider factors like proximity to essential supplies and the ability to stay warm or cool depending on the weather. Keep emergency supplies in this room. These supplies should be easily accessible and well organized so that you can find what you need quickly. This includes flashlights, a first aid kit, and extra batteries. Additionally, consider adding items like non-perishable food, water, blankets, and any necessary medications. Having a well-stocked emergency kit can provide peace of mind and ensure that you are prepared for any situation. Power outages can happen anytime, anywhere. They are unpredictable and can catch you off guard, especially when you're not at home. Imagine coming back to a dark neighborhood with no streetlights to guide your way. It's a scenario that can be both unsettling and challenging. What if you're away from home when the lights go out? You might be at work, running errands, or even on vacation. The sudden loss of power can disrupt your plans and leave you wondering what to do next. Don't panic. Stay calm and follow these tips. Panicking will only make the situation worse. Take a few deep breaths and remind yourself that power outages are usually temporary. Staying calm will help you think clearly and make better decisions. First, avoid driving if possible. The roads can be hazardous during a blackout. Without functioning traffic lights, intersections become particularly dangerous. If you must drive, proceed with extreme caution and be prepared for unexpected obstacles. Traffic lights might be out and roads could be dangerous. Drivers may not follow the usual rules, leading to potential accidents. It's safer to stay off the roads until power is restored and normal traffic patterns resume. Seek shelter in a safe, public place. If you're away from home and it's not safe to drive, look for a nearby public place where you can wait out the outage. A library or a community center are good options. These places often have backup generators and can provide a safe, well-lit environment. Plus, they may have resources like Wi-Fi and charging stations to help you stay connected. Stay informed. Tune into your car radio or a battery-powered radio. Keeping up with the latest news will help you understand the scope of the outage and any safety advisories. Local news will provide updates on the situation. They can inform you about the cause of the outage, areas affected, and estimated time for power restoration. This information is crucial for planning your next steps. They'll tell you when to expect power restoration. Knowing when the power is likely to come back can help you decide whether to wait it out or make alternative arrangements. Stay patient and prepared, and you'll get through the outage safely. In a power outage, your first priorities are warmth, safety, and health. Gather warm clothing and blankets. Layer up to stay warm. Check your first aid kit. Make sure it's fully stocked. Have essential medications on hand. This is especially important for people with chronic conditions. Keep a flashlight and extra batteries in an easily accessible location. Remember, safety comes first. Staying warm during a power outage is crucial, especially in colder climates. It's important to dress in layers, even indoors. Layers trap heat and keep you warmer. And don't forget, hats are essential. You lose a lot of body heat through your head. Also, close off unused rooms. This will conserve heat in the areas you are using. Another good tip is to hang blankets over windows. This will prevent drafts and further insulate your home. Remember, every little bit helps. Food and water. Stocking up for self-sufficiency. Access to food and water is vital during any emergency. Always have an emergency supply on hand. Store at least 3 days' worth of non-perishable food per person. Think canned goods, energy bars, and dried fruit. Water is even more critical. Store 1 gallon of water per person per day. Keep a manual can opener readily available. Don't forget about your pets. Have extra food and water for them too. Going off-grid backup power for extended outages. For longer outages, consider a backup power source. A portable generator can power essential appliances, but use caution. Operate generators outdoors in well-ventilated areas. Solar generators are a safe and eco-friendly alternative. They recharge using solar panels. This provides a renewable source of power. Invest in power banks for charging small devices. Keep phones and flashlights operational. Staying connected communication when the grid is down. Communication is key during emergencies. A battery-powered radio will be your lifeline to the outside world. Keep it tuned to local news for updates and instructions. Have a list of emergency contacts readily available. Include family, friends, and neighbors. Consider a hand-crank weather radio. This will provide weather updates without relying on batteries or electricity. Be prepared, not scared. Practice makes perfect. Power outages can be unsettling, but they don't have to be disasters. By following these tips and preparing in advance, you can face them with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power. Practice your emergency plan regularly. Familiarize yourself with your supplies. The more prepared you are, the safer and more comfortable you'll be. Stay calm, stay informed, and stay prepared.